Hi guys, today I have professional magic cards and this is a blank deck. You can do over 20 professional magic tricks with this deck. So the blank deck changes into a printed deck and you can magically make any card appear. And they also have the bark cards and Svengali deck, and I have all of these. And if you want to see the video on them, you can like this video. So this is the box. This is for ages 6 and up. It shows this. The cards are like this. And the cards are actually lighter than regular cards, and the blank deck is over here. These are tricks you could do. So I'll see the trick and do it, and then I'll reveal it. So here are all the cards. So what I'm going to do now is, except for the first and last card, I'm going to make all of them go blank. All blank. Let's check on this side. All blank. Except for the first and last. So you're probably wondering how I did this trick, and it's not that hard. So I'm going to spoil the trick now because that's the point of this video, since it's an unboxing video. And I'll tell the trick. So if you don't want to have it spoiled for you, then you shouldn't watch it. So basically the first half is not blank. They're just like regular cards. They're actually a little bit lighter. And then the rest is blank over here. And then on this side, it's not blank over here. And then it's blank over here. So like this. And there are different ways to do this trick than just being like, oh, these are the cards here. And then this is the back, so just showing the back. And then just showing that they're blank. You just don't show these, so you just try to do like this, like push it there. And you do it kind of quickly. And then you just show these. Or you just show like this. And if you do it pretty fast, it seems pretty reasonable, and it looks like you actually did the trick, even though you really didn't. See, all of them are blank. And basically all of them have numbers. So the secret way to do this is that you just put like one blank card and one numbered card together. And the other cards, the blank ones, are slightly shorter. You can barely even tell. I don't know why it's not focusing today. But you can barely even tell the difference. And if you put it straight down like this, and then you do this, all the blank cards should appear. And if you take this, and you do this, all of the numbered cards should appear. And usually it works pretty well, but there are like 2 or 3 cards in here that maybe they were like miscut or something, and that sometimes they can ruin the trick. Like over here, if I do this, the Q, 6, and 8 at the end kind of ruin the trick. So you have to be very careful. Usually the first half is pretty good. And then they're usually near the end. And then here's the bottom. And you don't notice the blank cards as much as you notice the printed cards over here. And anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.